Hi, are you ready to take your writing to the next level? If yes, then look no further than my Udemy course on Anyword AI, the revolutionary tool that's transforming the world of language. As a professional writer and editor, I have seen firsthand how difficult it can be to craft the perfect sentence, paragraph, or article. It takes time, practice, and a deep understanding of language and communication. But what if I told you there was a way to make that process easier, faster, and more efficient? That's where Anyword AI comes in. This powerful tool harnesses the latest advancements in artificial intelligence to help you generate high quality text and also analyze large amount of information and even translate contents into multiple languages. With Anyword AI, you can work smarter and not harder and achieve better results in less time. In this course, I'll teach you everything you need to know about Anyword AI, from the setup to the basics of simple prompts to advanced techniques for optimizing your output. You will learn how to use Anyword AI to write compelling blog posts, social media content, marketing copy, as well as how to understand the insights of the copy that you have just created. But this course isn't just about the technical details of Anyword AI. It's also about creativity, innovation, and the power of language to connect with audiences and drive results. You will learn how to think outside the box and use Anyword AI to bring your ideas to life in new and exciting ways. So, if you are ready to revolutionize your writing and take your skills to the next level, join me in this exciting journey into the world of Anyword AI. Together, we will unlock the full potential of language and transform the way you work with words forever. Do not wait and enroll in this course now, and I look forward to see you inside. Thank you.